Erica here. If you love crispy fries, juicy wings, perfectly roasted veggies, and even homemade jerky, but hate heating up the whole kitchen or babysitting the oven, you are going to lose your mind over the Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL air fryer. I've been cooking with it every single day for the past 5 weeks, and this 8-quart dual basket beast has completely replaced my old air fryer and toaster oven. Today, I'm breaking down every feature, the real pros and cons, and exactly who needs this in their life right now. Let's start with the basics that make this one special. It's an 8-quart total capacity split into 2 independent 4-quart baskets. So you can cook 2 completely different foods at different temperatures and times and have them finished together with the sync finish feature. You get 6 main cooking functions: air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. The clear windows and lights inside each basket let you watch everything cook without opening the doors and losing heat. Power is a strong 1,700 watts, the stainless steel looks premium, and the controls are super simple with big digital screens. Now the real life pros, because this thing is insane. Crispiest fries and wings I've ever made at home, better than most restaurants. The dual baskets mean I can do chicken nuggets in one and sweet potato fries in the other, and they finish at the exact same second. Reheating pizza gives you that fresh out of the oven crisp bottom and melty cheese again. Dehydrating works great. I made beef jerky in 6 hours and apple chips that my kids devour. Windows and lights make it fun to watch. Cleanup is easy with non-stick baskets that go in the dishwasher, and it preheats in about 3 minutes. Okay, honesty time, the cons. It's big. This thing is wide, so measure your counter space first. The baskets are a little heavy when full, and the outside gets hot during cooking, so keep kids away. It's louder than a regular oven, but quieter than my old air fryer. No shake reminder like some competitors, so you have to remember to flip food yourself for even cooking. And it's not the cheapest air fryer out there. My final recommendation after weeks of hard use: if you cook for a family of 4 or more, love crispy food, or want to cook 2 things at once without juggling timers, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL is 100% worth it. The dual baskets, clear windows, and perfect results make this the best air fryer I've ever owned. Skip it if you have a tiny kitchen or only cook for one, but for everyone else, this is a game changer. Ready to get that crispy life? Click the link in the description to grab the Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL at the best price. It supports the channel too. If this helped, smash like, drop your favorite air fryer recipe below, share with your foodie friends, and subscribe for more no-nonsense kitchen reviews. Quick reminder, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching. Now go make the crispiest dinner ever.